Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to take out cube roots within 3 seconds. In my previous video I had showed you how to take out square root within 4 seconds, link in the description below. But this is within 3 seconds, whereas that was within 4 seconds, just because this is a quite easier trick. But often students take this as a tougher topic, but with this trick you can do it within 3 seconds. So let's get started. So I've taken an example here, 13,824. Alright, so this is under cube root. So what you need to do is check the last digit, which is 4. Now as this is 4, when you take out the cube root, when you break this cube root out, you're gonna have 4 as the last digit after taking it out as well. So similarly, when you have 1, think you have 1 here, like 13,821, you're gonna get 1 outside as well. Now it's gonna be the same for 4 as I showed you here. 4, it's gonna be 4. For 5 as well is going to be 5, like it's 13,825, so 5 is going to be 5 outside as well. So for 6 and 9, same as follows. But as you can see, I have skipped 4 numbers here, 2, 3, 7 and 8. So what happens in 2, 3, 7 and 8, I'm going to show you. Whereas these numbers are called as direct numbers in this trick, these are called as direct numbers. Now I'm going to show you what happens with 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now if you take 2, what happens if you take 2 is, like for example, if you get here 13,822, if 2 is here, what comes outside is 8. Alright, so what comes outside is 8. Now if you take 3, alright, 3, if 3 is here, for example 13,823, if 3 is here, that means what comes outside is going to be 7. Alright, now for 8 and 7, which are the only ones left here, so 8 and 7 is just going to be the opposite. Like for 8 it's going to be 2, for 7 it's going to be 3. That means you don't need to learn that, it's just these two things which you need to know. 2 is going to be 8 and 3 is going to be 7. So if it's going to be like 8 here, if it's going to be 8 here, you're going to get out here 2. If it's going to be 7, it's going to be 3. So I'll just write. Alright, so you might have understood till here. So alright guys, what the next thing you need to know for this is, like, you need to know the cube roots from 1 to 9. That's it, that's only the thing which you need to know. Whereas these topics are just easy, like you need to know just 2 is 8, 3 is 7, then it's vice versa, like 8 is 2 and 7 is 3. Alright, so what you need to know, like what you need to learn in this is just the cube roots from 1 to number 10. Most of you would know till 4, but you need to learn till 10. Alright, like 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube is 1000. So you need to know at least this. Just pause the video and learn this, and after that you can just play it. So after learning this, you can just get started. This is just a simple trick. What you need to do is just have 2 or 3 steps, that's it. That is the reason why you can solve it within 3 seconds. So as I told you, the first step here will be like, this is 2, as I told you, if it is 2, outside what comes out is 8, right? I told you here 2, right? Okay, yeah, okay. So if it's 2, it's gonna be 8, right? So as I told you, if it's 2 out here, it's gonna be 8. Now what next step is just to ignore the last 3 digits, which is 952. Rather just cut it. This is just for beginners, like you have to cut this thing. You don't need to do this, like this for beginners, just to cut this. And what you have left is 21. So as you have left 21 over here, what you need to do next is just to see which number is just smaller here than 21, just smaller than 21. Here you can see that 27 is just greater than 21, whereas 8 is the next smallest number, right? 8 is the next smallest number. So what is it? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So what you need to write here is 2. So that's it, that's the answer itself. It's a quite easy trick, you can easily do it within 3 seconds. Just the thing is, you need to know this, alright? You need to know this by heart, but I'm just showing you just for now, alright? So the next question is 54,872. Here again we have 2 here, again we have 2. So what we do is, you're gonna write 8 here, right? Write 8 here, cut the last 3, alright? Now what you have left is 54, right? 54 is what you have left. So now you have to see which is just below 54 here. Like you can see 64 is greater than 54, whereas 27 3 cube 27 just smaller. So what you need to take is 3. That's it. So it's quite easy. Alright, so next one we'll just do it. I would like you guys to do it. Just pause the video and try this out. This looks quite big, like 6-digit number, but this is just the same thing. Alright, this is the same thing. Alright, I'll do it now for you if you couldn't do it. So you can see this, it's like 274,625, right? So as what you used to do, 5, right? 5 is the last digit. As it is 5, as I told you, these are direct numbers, so 5 is going to be 5 itself, no change, just for 2, 3, 7 and 8. That's it. So you cut the last 3 digits. What you have left is 274, right? 274. Now see in this table where you find what is just below 274. 343 just bigger, 216 is just smaller, which is 6 cubes. So 6 is what you have to take. Alright, so we got the answer as 65. This time we have taken even a bigger number here. Let's say even a bigger number, which is 571,787, right? So what you need to do here, the same thing. I would like you guys to do it. Just pause the video, try it out. Alright, so yeah, as 7 is over here, you're gonna write here. What are you gonna write? 3, right? As it's here 7, outside comes 3, and cut the last 3. Alright, cut the last 3. You don't need to do this after like 3 to 4 questions which we did right now. I don't think you need to do this again. Just ignore the last 3 and just go for the comma. What you need to do, just write a comma after 3 digits. That's it, and see this one. So that's going to be way easier. Alright, so what you have is 571. So now look into the table. By now you should have learned this, or else it's going to be tough. So if you have learned this, that's good, but just for your friends, I'm taking this out. So now, as I told you, we have 571 left. What is just below 571 is 512, right? 512, which is 8 cube, right? 8 cube. So what we are going to write here is 8. So what's our answer? Our answer is 83. I'll let the cap here, no problem. It's 83 is the answer. So alright, try to do the next one as well. Now in this one, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it within 3 seconds. I told you I'll do it within 3 seconds, right? I'll do it within 3 seconds and show you. But I would like you guys to pause and try to do it within 5 seconds, alright? Just try to do it within 5 seconds, alright? Alright, now I'll do it within 3 seconds, alright? Just see. I'm just going to do it within 3 seconds. You don't need to cut, alright? Just see and do it yourself, alright? Alright, so I'll do it. So as this is 2, you're going to write 8, and 729 is just smaller than 941, so you're going to take 9. That's it. 98 is your answer. See? It's just so simple. This you need to know this thing. Alright, sorry. What you need to know is just this thing, which is 9 cube is 729, 10 cube 100,000 and all. You need to know this all things. It's gonna be really easy. If you don't if you didn't learn this, you cannot do this. This trick is just waste for you if you didn't learn this, alright? So just have these things by heart, and this trick is really gonna be very easy, and anyone can easily do it within 3 seconds. Alright guys, so I have some practice questions for you. Let's see if you can solve this. If you could, just please write down in the comment section below. So make sure that you try to do this just for your practice, so that I would get to know that you understood the topic or no. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and share it with your friends so that they could also benefit from this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.